Golden Buñuelos de Viento. A delicious Mexican dessert recipe. This recipe serves 24 to 30 pieces. Preparation takes about 15 minutes. And cooking takes around 30 to 40 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1½ cups whole milk, 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a half teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon orange zest, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 4 to 6 cups vegetable oil. Step 1. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the sifted flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, baking powder, and salt until well combined. Step 2. In a separate medium bowl, beat the eggs lightly. Whisk in the milk, vanilla extract, orange zest, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil until smooth. Step 3. Gradually pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Whisk vigorously until the batter is completely smooth with no lumps. The consistency should be similar to heavy cream. Step 4. Let the batter rest at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. This allows the gluten to relax and ensures a crispier result. Step 5. While the batter rests, combine the 1 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon in a shallow bowl or pie plate. Set aside. Step 6. Fill a heavy-bottomed pot or deep skillet with at least 2 inches of vegetable oil. Heat the oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Use a candy thermometer for accuracy. Step 7. Place your Buñuelo iron mold into the hot oil for 2 to 3 minutes to heat it up. A hot mold is essential for the batter to stick properly. Step 8. Lift the hot mold out of the oil and tap it gently on a paper towel to remove excess oil. Step 9. Carefully dip the hot mold into the batter, ensuring the batter comes up only 3/4 of the way up the sides. Do not submerge the top of the mold, or the Buñuelo will not release. Step 10. Immediately transfer the batter-coated mold into the hot oil. Hold it just off the bottom of the pot. Step 11. After 5 to 10 seconds, gently jiggle the mold up and down. The Buñuelo should slide off into the oil. If it sticks, use a wooden skewer to gently nudge it free. Step 12. Fry for about 1 to 2 minutes per side, turning once with tongs or a slotted spoon, until golden brown and crisp on both sides. Step 13. Remove the Buñuelo and drain briefly on paper towels for just 10 seconds while it is still very hot. Step 14. While still warm, dredge the Buñuelo in the cinnamon sugar mixture until evenly coated. Step 15. Repeat the process, remembering to reheat the mold in the oil for 30 seconds between each Buñuelo. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.